Panyangis.com, and today we will be joined by Kong and Tip to talk about some cleaning of the island, which coincidentally happened to be on World Environment Day, and they didn't know at first. Panyangis.com, and we are joined by Kong and Tip. Sawadee ka. And you guys recently cleaned Khao Ra? Khao Ra, and it happened to be on World Environment Day. So start from the beginning. How did this get organized?
Well, we not really organize anything. Not really. We just we have a dinner before we start. Next day we just we always go anyway to Khao Ra just to practice and just go for fun like as usual.
And because you run, don't you?
Yeah,
You're
run and walk.
Yeah.
Depends. Some parts we can run, some parts we can just have to walk. Yeah, and that day was it's heavy rain. That was heavy rain, but we then we also anyway if we already go, we should clean up the garbage that we have seen many times and nobody pick it up, and seemed like no one gonna do it. So it was heavy rain, but we think we have to do anyway. We reach the top and then we always make a stop for a cup of coffee up there, but we can't make it because the rain very heavy, like I said. And we go there. We three of us, two men and one girl. Normally we have more friends, but because of raining and maybe we start quite early. Normally we start like 5 in the morning every time.
Right.
5 in the morning, no more. About that time, and then anyway we already up there, we should do something. Yeah,
so you clean the rubbish that's on the way up Khao Ra, or
on the way down. There's the two ways you can go up,
right?
And then we go up first
to the peak.
Yeah, on the top, and then we walk down, and from in the middle about 2 kilometers before the dam.
Right, okay.
Yeah,
where does the rubbish come from on Khao Ra? Is it people that are trekking and leaving it, or is it?
I'm not sure who did that, but I don't think from the trail runner or tourists, but I think maybe a group of people who go work up there, and because I saw the tents there, the
shirts,
like t-shirt and like a food products, buttons, and I think people who go work up there, they don't want to carry down. Maybe some 4-5 people working for some year, but because I think it's many years already, probably 6-7 years in, and it's just for there, so nobody care or nobody going to go and pick it down. So
was it hard to bring it down, or?
Yeah, for yeah, it's because it was raining, so it's and slippery and very
it's
dangerous.
Quite steep as well.
Yeah, dangerous. So, but we go slow. We did it slow, and we have to dig it because there's a lot of sand, soil cover the garbage, the buttons. So we have a knife to cut some pan or something, and then to clean up, to take out the sand and soil out from the bottom.
And how did you find out that it was World Environment Day when you
done
this?
I think before we post the picture, he always he has make a very nice picture every time, and he also took a picture while we carry the garbage. So then he have to do anyway. He always posts what he did.
Sure.
Every day. And today, then some of our friends just say, today is the World Environment Day. Say, really? Okay. It's
a nice coincidence. Yeah. And because you guys are out in nature, running or walking, do you witness a lot of rubbish that maybe other people wouldn't see, that's sort of hidden in the jungle? Do you see a lot of rubbish that gets
not
left?
Up to Khao Ra, not really. Or many places we've been walking, trekking, hiking, not really up to the mountain, but there is, I think, on the way when we pass near the jungle, I think people just throw. But if from tourists, not a lot from tourists, I don't think, or the runners. They don't do. We know what how to do, and we love the island. So we how much enough water we prepare.
Yeah.
Then we return to our house, or we know how to do it. But I think some people who still don't care, they just drink and they just throw. I think mostly, I don't know, maybe from workers who work on the road construction, or they have to do something and then they just do it.
Yeah.
That from my experience, from what I know and I have seen.
Sure.
Yeah.
Do you guys have any ideas how you could educate people who don't know? Have you tried at all?
We try. We don't really tell much, but we show them. We show mostly. We show what what we have to save the world. Not really save the world, but to get the habit for students. Like for my I have my girl. I always teach her. Okay, whatever you use, you bring back. You don't throw out. You don't spin around, go throw around, and waiting for some people to clean for you. You have to do it. What you drink, if you finish, you take care. I don't like much that we only go to pick up and somebody don't care and they just throw. But that because I think little by little they will know, but they can't do this. They have to know. They have to say there's a people waiting to pick up your garbage. Whenever you throw, we pick up, and then I think little by little, slowly they will learn.
Yeah.
But take time.
Yeah,
Take time.
Yeah.
So I really I always say tell to my friends or some people, garbage is a golden gold. It can be money later if you collect, and then it can be money, and it can be we have to treat them like we already use what how to say, I'm sorry, we can't waste the garbage. We can do something with it.
Yeah.
And to not make the world dirty, and we have to live with this world, so we have to take care.
Yeah. You said it brilliantly then.
Yeah.
And you also help out with Trash Hero. They do
Yeah.
organised, and they're more on the beach. The beach
Mostly, yeah. I think because not only the hotels businesses or the house around the beach, but I think maybe from the boat,
Sure.
from the fishermen, they throw in, and then the garbage they will come to on the beach. So I know it's never finish. We will never finish. It's quite a big job, hard as well. Not hard, but big. Last time we did at Sitanu. Always Sitanu. We always go to Sitanu, and always when we go back again, and then still a lot.
Really, and it's back. Yeah. And how can people help? Either you guys, can people join in with you guys, or give
welcome.
them?
They always welcome.
Yeah.
And we love to.
Do you have a Facebook page or something?
I not really, but I think we should do. Yeah. But we just post in our group. Okay, today, tomorrow, or we're going to. For example, Tansadet or Hat Yuan, Hat Tian, and then there is also a lot of garbage that we really want to do. There is a friend who they live at Hat Tian. They always do.
Right.
They work there and they did the same. They do the same. I'm thinking to go to Chalok Lam on the way up, and then to the town. There's a lot of when I pass by, and then there's a lot.
So it's not just the beaches. I think the beaches always get a lot of focus, don't they? But there's actually a lot of rubbish that could be cleared inland as well.
Yeah.
What advice would you give to people who are on Koh Phangan, people who live here, Thai or foreigners?
Okay. Please love the island as you love yourself. You want to look good, look healthy. You also have to keep the island look beautiful and nice. And when you look, oh, this is a beautiful island. So you're gonna take care of this beautiful island as I don't expect much, but I hope we should do have the same mind, and then we're gonna have the most beautiful island. I think many people want to live here. This is the paradise, paradise island. I heard many foreigners who living here, or many. I came here 20 years ago and I can't leave. So I think this place is yes, I can call my home, my second home. So I want.
Why special?
I don't know. I'm in love. I don't know why I'm in love with this island. I can't just check out. I can't just leave. It's beautiful, and I feel like calm. I feel like I work before. I work very hard every day, and I don't feel like I'm working. I'm working, but I also have holiday every day. And you maybe you feel that as well. So want many people feel the same. I think. So then we have to take care of each other, take care of the place where we live. Yeah.
Amazing. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Copy that.